So this is the first commission I earned by promoting affiliate products on Reddit. In this video, I'm going to reveal how I find secret traffic source on Reddit and got sales. If you're not using Reddit, you are definitely missing out a lot of traffic. Many people don't even know that it's one of the biggest traffic sources. I already talked in a previous video about how Reddit is one of the best platforms. This is the Reddit account I used to promote affiliate products by posting in subreddit communities and on my profile. Unfortunately, this account was suspended due to AI automation and other issues. I'm going to tell you how my account got suspended and reveal the mistakes you should avoid. You will also learn how to actually promote and get traffic from Reddit, how to sell your products, everything in this video. Let's get started with the video and discuss the secret traffic source. So this is a completely new Reddit account I just created. Now I will be working on SFW, means safe for work content. There are two types of content you can publish on Reddit, SFW and NSFW. NSFW means not safe for work. For example, if you want to publish adult images or content, you can go with NSFW. Since my focus is promoting AI related products, I am going with SFW, but NSFW content often performs better on Reddit. Things like funny adult memes and jokes works well. If you're interested in the type of content, there are many affiliate products related to adult topics on various platforms, but with the AI revolution going on now, I have chosen this SFW profile to promote AI products. Look at the simple profile I have created. I have a cover image, profile picture, and I named it Indish Marketer. For example, in the about section, I just say learn how to start affiliate marketing with free traffic by clicking the website button below. I also put here my YouTube channel link. You have to optimize your profile to show your professionalism. Then you have to choose a category to work in and build your profile accordingly. That's the first simple step. Now let's move on to finding subreddits to join and post content. This is where you will grow your audience. If you don't know Reddit basics like karma, I explained how to gain karma in a previous video. I recommend you to watch that video to understand the basics of Reddit. Here we will focus on posting in communities, growing, getting sales from your profile and other subreddits. So once you have your profile, the next step is to find specific subreddits to join. If you go to Reddit directly and want to search subreddits, you can find subreddits by typing in the search bar about any topic. For example, if I search artificial intelligence, you can see there are many communities available and you can join any one of them. But I would recommend you finding a growing or the largest community. To understand and get more data about a community before joining, we need a search tool. We are going to use a tool known as Gummy Search. Let me show you. GummySearch.com is a subreddit finder that helps you analyze and find best subreddits. You can type related keywords of a subreddit that you want to find. For example, if you type artificial intelligence, here you will find various subreddits related to artificial intelligence. This tool has curated subreddits category wise for a specific audience, such as subreddit for SaaS business people, subreddit for founders, subreddit for English learner, influencer and newsletter creators, etc. You can find subreddits based on your specific category or niche. You can also sort the result by growth or size, and you can search from here by typing any name. Sorting by growth will help you find subreddits that are growing at a faster rate. Now let's select subreddit for generative AI because we are going to promote AI related products. If I open this, then you can see we have all the best growing subreddit communities are here. You can see this ChatGPT subreddit and it is growing by 6,484 members every day with over 3 million total members. We need to join this subreddit community to promote our AI related products. You can see the topics being discussed in this subreddit. So I'll just open this ChatGPT community here. As you can see, after opening the ChatGPT community, there are more posts and details visible. You can see popular posts on this platform. This is really awesome because we can find the top performing posts very easily. You can read those posts and reverse engineer them to understand how to create a similar successful post. We have all the information here like the popular post and top topics discussed on this platform. You can simply click on view on Reddit to open this community directly on Reddit. So let's open the ChatGPT community on Reddit. You can see I have already joined this community when creating my account. I am already a member. This tool, that is Gummy Search, is really great because it can find popular posts and content right from here. Similarly, you can join other communities by going back to Gummy Search. I will open another one that is Midjourney and click on view on Reddit to join it. Then I will click on join. Now I have successfully joined this community too. The next step is posting content on this subreddit or on my Reddit profile. Before we publish any post, we will find out affiliate products that we will promote. Now to find a product, product, you can either go directly to an affiliate network or you can choose explore custom affiliate programs. If you're specifically looking for AI related products from any affiliate network, I recommend using Warrior Plus. There are many new affiliate products available there. But for my case, I'm going to promote a custom affiliate program. This custom affiliate program is offered by Hassan based on prompt engineering, and it is directly related to artificial intelligence. I'm enrolled in this course and I highly recommend joining if you have not already joined in this course. This program can help you learn prompt engineering from the basics. To obtain the affiliate link, I will go to affiliate dashboard, which you can see here. In my analytics, I have total of 220 visits and 1 referral, resulting in the commission I made. Now to promote this offer, I need to grab the affiliate link. So I will navigate to affiliate URLs. I will go back to the course, copy the link, paste it here. Now I have the affiliate link. To promote this offer, you should provide something for free and avoid directly placing this affiliate link on Reddit, as it could lead your account being suspended, because Reddit does not like affiliate links. You need a landing page. Let me show you how you can create one. Okay, now to create a landing page, we are going to use System.io. You can see I'm on my System.io account here. I have created a simple landing page or opt-in page for collecting email addresses. I offer a simple free $3 prompt script. When people submit their email addresses, I redirect them to an affiliate product. Let me show you the page. If I click on view, you can see this is the simple landing page I used to collect email addresses. When someone submits their email, they are redirected to my affiliate offer. I collect their email address, and if I go to my Sendinblue, currently it is known as Bravo account, you can see I have collected 283 new contacts in the last 30 days just by promoting this free $3 prompt generator. It's a simple approach. I am not using anything special. If you want to see how it works, you can try it entering your email address and name here and see what I'm promoting on the next page. You can do the same. I'm also going to share this funnel with you so you don't have to create it from the scratch. I'll provide the link in the video description so that you can easily customize it. You can offer something for free like basic guide on prompt engineering. This is how I generate sales. You offer something for free, collect email addresses, then you engage in email marketing by sending regular emails to sell your products. So the next step is creating content on Reddit. Now before we dive into creating content on Reddit, let me share some rules for writing content on Reddit. These are the lessons I learned from my own mistakes. The first rule is that you should avoid acting like a bot on Reddit. Reddit does not appreciate automation or post that seems to be automated. When you participate on Reddit, be genuine and act like human. The second rule is that you should only post human written content. Avoid using AI generated content as it can lead to suspension of your account. I will show you my own account as an example. If I go to my profile, you can see these posts were published using automation with the help of OpenAI API and Reddit API. These posts were created with AI assistants, and this is the reason why my account got suspended. So simply come here, write content using your own knowledge and your own writing style. Posting one high quality post every day is sufficient. I learned from my mistakes and now I avoid automation. I urge you to don't go for any AI generated content or Reddit automation because it can lead to account suspension. So I urge you not to repeat these mistakes. One thing you should always remember that our goal is not to publish content on Reddit profile. Instead, our focus should be publishing in subreddits. These subreddits are where we will join and publish our content because they have more traffic. The traffic there is engaged and we can expect to receive more traffic compared to just posting on our profile. However, since our profile is empty, you can start by publishing one post on your profile. This will increase your karma. Currently, we have 1 karma. By posting on our profile, your karma will increase. For the sake of this demonstration, I will publish one post on our profile, but I won't go into detail how to post on your profile. I will show you how to create content for Reddits and how to reverse engineer post in subreddit communities. Then I will guide you how to publish post from the subreddit communities to get more engagement, more views, and drive traffic to your offers and sell them. That's the plan. Now you can see I have published one post here, but unfortunately this post was removed. The reason it was removed because I essentially converted a YouTube video transcription into a Reddit post. This resulted in the post being classified as AI generated, which is why it was removed. Reddit is very sensitive in this regard and does not favor AI generated content or automated content. So you need to create content that Reddit will appreciate and accept. This means writing original content. There is no other way around it. You have to write your own content. I do the same. You can post like short text post, image post, and upload short videos. Ensure that the videos and content you post are not published elsewhere, and that's the important consideration. Always keep this in your mind of these rules and guidelines when posting on Reddit. So what we will do is keep this post as it is, and I will go to subreddit like for example ChatGPT this subreddit. Here we will see which posts are performing better on this community. For example, this post was published 11 hours ago. It seems like people are still engaging with it. They have included a link to a website, indicating that you can also include link to your website in your post inside this ChatGPT subreddit. However, it should be relevant to your post. You cannot put any affiliate links or any spammy links or your landing page links directly. Make sure your post is relevant and you can interlink post so that the content matches the interlink text and it's relevant to the post. You can see people are visiting this post and people are engaging with this post. As you can see, there are currently 163 people here with 506 comments. This gives you an idea of how many clicks that link may have received. This is the basic idea of posting content on a larger subreddit. If I open other subreddit like Midjourney community, you'll notice that it has 943,000 members and it's the official subreddit community of Midjourney. Here as well, you can post your content such as image with relevant quote or relevant comparison. Posting image won't be considered as AI generated content. By posting in this manner, you can get more exposure, more views and increase engagement and ultimately drive more traffic to your offers through content. As you can see, I am going to publish this post. There is a basic comparison between my previous business logo and current business logo. Okay, you can see like the previous logo was created by myself using Figma and current logo is created by DALL-E 3. So there is a comparison of this post. Okay, all the content that you have seen here, right, created by myself, but for the correction and properly arrange the content, I used AI, for example ChatGPT and DALL-E 3. I'm going to publish it now. Okay, I'm not adding any links in this post because it's my first time posting in this community. I'm not sure how they will react. I'm playing it safe for now, but in future posts I definitely include links. This kind of content can create curiosity and excitement among people. When they see a transformation from one logo to another, it piques their interest and they might engage with the post, follow or read more. So I will publish this post by clicking on the post button. I can also add flair. Okay, and for this post I will choose use cases as this category because this flair is more relevant. Let's apply this flair and post. However, after posting it, you can see that my post has been removed by the moderator, citing post removed from feeds for various reasons, including keeping the community safe and true. Maybe it because of karma. To confirm this, now let me check my notification to see what actually happened. It seems that I need at least 5 karma points to publish a post. Therefore, my post was not published due to the karma requirement. Here is a notification. Hey Indish marketer, your post has been removed because your account has less than 5 karma points and you are not allowed to post. To increase my karma, I need to comment on other people post. You can also follow the same approach and you have to make post on other subreddit communities that allows you, and you have to post on your profile feed. You get upvotes from people and with these upvotes, your karma will boost up. Engage in the comment section. People will upvote you, will get karma. Currently, I have only 1 karma point, which is not sufficient for posting in this community. I will save this post so that I can use it later for posting once my karma reaches the required level. That's the process to follow. I have shown you how it works and I have also shared my previous experience where my account was deleted due to low karma. Make sure to follow these steps for creating your post. I hope this covered everything you need to know, and also make sure to watch the previous video because I have covered everything from basics to advanced in the previous video about Reddit. I will put the link to the video in the video description and also I put in the I button. That's all for today.